Go to the RV show.
Which one?
One in Indianapolis, downtown. Why?
You should come to ours.
Why would I want to do that?
Because it's free.
Okay, what days?
September 22nd through the 24th.
What time?
A couple of the days, 9 to 6. And Saturday, 9 to 5.
Okay. I like it, but why?
Free ice cream and free swag.
Okay, I'm on my way.
I'll see you there.